Hello everyone, good morning to all of you once again. Good morning Darsh, good morning Kanishka, good morning Abhijit. Okay, very good morning to all of you. Good morning Darsh. Everyone, quickly let me know my voice is clear and screen is also clear to all of you. Clear. Okay, so let us get started everyone with the today's session. Yesterday हमने complete कर लिया था till question number Yesterday we have completed till question number 200. Today we have to start with the question number 201. The question you can see on the screen is the question number 201. Okay, so let us get started with this question number 201. Okay, so question is everyone, cactus lives in the terrestrial region of. Good morning, Hemishri. The first correct answer for the question is given by Abhijit. Next to Abhijit, we have Darsh. Okay, good morning, beta. So what is the correct answer for question? The right answer for the question is cactus. Cactus हमको कहाँ पे देखने मिलता है? We find a cactus plant in the terrestrial region of desert. So what will be the correct answer? Right answer for the question is option A. The next question, ये था question number 201. Okay, the next question is question number 202. Which of the following cold-blooded animals are active at night? Which of these animals are active at night? Animals which are active at night, such animals are called as nocturnal animals. ऐसे animals को हम क्या कहते हैं? We call all such animals nocturnal animal. Any person, any animal who is more active at night. Okay, so frog, crocodile, camel or lizard. We must keep in mind what will be the correct answer. Himashri, Darsh and Kanishka are correct over here. Right answer for the question is lizard. Okay, among these, which are the nocturnal animal? Lizards are nocturnal. Similarly, cockroaches. Cockroaches भी कैसे होते हैं? Cockroaches are also nocturnal animals. So correct answer for the question is option D. Correct, Abhijit. Next question, question number 203. What are the plants that live in ponds or ponds? Pond is what? Pond is a aquatic habitat. What kind of habitat is pond? Pond is a aquatic habitat. What kind of plants live in aquatic habitat? Hydrilla, lotus, cactus, acacia, pine, deodar, or none of these. What is the correct answer? Why it will be none of these? Better have a look. Hydrilla and lotus, both hydrilla as well as lotus, they are aquatic. Hydrilla as well as lotus, दोनों ही कैसे हैं? They are aquatic plants. Correct. Correctly answered Sarvesh, Kanishka, Darsh. Okay, Abhijit, hydrilla and lotus. Option A here is the correct answer. Question number 204. Which part of cactus is responsible for performing photosynthesis? Cactus में आपने देखा होगा leaves are modified in the form of spines. In cactus, leaves are modified into spines. So which part of cactus performs photosynthesis? Spine, stem, root or flowers? Which part performs the photosynthesis? A. No, A is not the right answer. Yes, Hemishri. So correct answer for this question is only and only given by two students, Kanishka and Hemishri. Correct answer is stem. Beta, keep in mind, in the plant of cactus, leaves are modified into spines. Cactus में क्या होता है? Leaf get modified into spines. Leaves किस में modify हो जाते हैं? They get modified into spine. Why are they modified into spine? To avoid the loss of water. Okay, loss of water रोकने के लिए वो किस में convert हो जाते हैं? Spines are modified into, leaves are modified into spines. And stem is modified into leaf like structure. Stem किसमें modify होता है? Stem is modified into leaf like structure and stem is the one responsible for performing the photosynthesis. तो leaf like structure में ये modify होता है. तो ये जो green color का आपको structure दिखता है, this is actually the stem and stem here performs the photosynthesis. So correct answer for the question is option B, stem. Stem is the right one. Question number 205. The process by which living things obtain energy from food is called. The process by which living things obtain energy from food is called breathing, reproduction, excretion or respiration. What will be the correct answer? The process by which living things obtain energy from food is called breathing, reproduction, excretion or respiration. Good morning, Ayush. Reproduction, no. The correct answer for the question is beta option D, respiration. Respiration is the process by which, okay, what happens? लिविंग थिंग्स ऑब्टेन एनर्जी फ्रॉम फूड. जब हम फूड से एनर्जी, when we draw it, what is the process involved here? The process involved in this is respiration. कौन सा process involved होता है? The process involved in respiration. So right answer is option D. Question number 206. Apple and neem trees are xerophytes, hydrophytes, mesophytes, none of these. What kind of plants are apple and neem? Apple and neem are xerophytes, hydrophytes, mesophytes, none of these. This is for class 6th beta. Xerophytes. What are xerophytes? Xerophytes are such plants that live in desert condition. Plants that survive and live in desert condition, उनको हम कहते हैं xerophytes. What are hydrophytes? Hydrophytes are the plants that live in aquatic conditions. Okay, उनको लिए क्या term use किया जाता है? We call them hydrophytes. Mesophytes are those organisms or animals that, sorry, or plants that live in the normal conditions. So mesophytes is the correct answer. Apple and neem. What kind of plants are they? They are mesophytes, making option C the correct answer over here. Question number 207. Dogs and cats reproduce by laying eggs, by giving birth to young ones, by producing seeds, or none of these. Dogs and cats reproduce by laying eggs, giving birth to young ones, producing seeds, or none of these. Correct. All of you are right again here. What is the right answer for the question? Option B, that dogs and cats reproduce by giving birth to young ones. Okay, the next question, question number 208. A surrounding where animals and plants live is called component, habitat, habit, all of these. Surrounding where animals and plants live is called component, habitat, habit, or all of these. So let us say we have this plant, और इस plant का जो पूरा surrounding होगा, what we are going to call this? Good morning Kavya. This will be called as the habitat. Okay, like right now we are living, तो हमारा जो surrounding environment है, that is called our habitat. So what is the correct answer for question? Right answer is option B, habitat. What do we call it? It is referred to as habitat. Correctly answered Kanishka and Sarvesh. Question number 209. Blank is a characteristic feature of. Blank is a characteristic feature of living things. Habit, breathing, growth, none of these. Which is a characteristic feature of living organisms. Correctly answered. Sarvesh is right. Kavya, Darsh, Ayush, all of you are correct over here. Breathing. Breathing is a characteristic feature of all living organisms. बेटा growth नहीं होगा. Growth sometimes is external growth also. इसलिए हम उसको characteristic feature नहीं कहते हैं. Characteristic feature of all living organisms is breathing. All the living organisms show the phenomena of breathing, be it a microorganism, be it a plant, animal. So correct answer is option B. Question number 10. Animals and plants that have certain features which help them or make them survive in a particular habitat. This is called adaptation, speciation, specialization, or evolution. Okay, plants and animals have very specific and very certain features जो उनको किसी particular habitat में survive करने में help करते हैं. What do we call these? Like a cactus plant is not having leaves, a cactus plants have deep roots. So what do we call these? All of these are referred to as adaptations. ये सभी क्या होते हैं? They are called as adaptations. Okay, what are they? They are the adaptations. So right answer is option A. Question number 211. What is the biotic component of environment? Plants, animal, microorganisms, all of these. What is the biotic component of environment? Environment का biotic component क्या है? Plants, animal, microorganism, or all of these. What is the biotic component of environment? Okay, good, all of you correctly answered. All of them are biotic. Biotic component का मतलब word biotic, always you must keep in mind it stands for living. Biotic word किसके लिए stand करता है? Word biotic stands for living. So biotic component, we are talking about which component? We are talking about the living component. Okay, the next question after this, question number 212. Which of the following is not an abiotic component of environment? Which of the following is not an abiotic component of environment? Which of the following is not an abiotic component of environment? Good. Correctly answering everyone. Okay, soil, bacteria, water, air. Which is not abiotic? Not abiotic means which is not non-living. Not non-living means it is living. So correct answer is option B, bacteria. Question number 213. Which of the following is an example of animal found in mountain region? Which of the following is an example of example of animal found in mountain region? Correct answer क्या होगा? Which of the following is example of an animal found in mountain region? D is the correct answer. Good, all of you. All of them, leopard, yak, mountain goats, ये सभी हमको कहाँ मिलते हैं? We find all of them in the mountain region, making option D the correct answer. Question number 214. Which of the following are characteristics of a desert plant? No leaves or very small leaves, spines, deep roots, all of these. What are the characteristics of a desert plant? इनमें से क्या एक desert plant के characters हैं? Leopard, no leaves or very small leaves, spines, deep roots, or no leaves at all. Correct. Chemistry is right. Abhijit is correct. Pranush is correct. Sarvesh, every one of you is correct here. So desert plants होते हैं. They have very small leaves or no leaves at all. Leaves are generally modified in the form of spines, and इनके जो roots होते हैं they are very very deep. Okay, so correct answer will be what? Option B is the correct answer. Question number 215. Respiration in aquatic animals is carried out by. What will be the correct answer? Aquatic animals में respiration कैसे होता है? Respiration in aquatic animals is carried out by lungs, gills, nostril, or legs. Correct. Sarvesh is correct. Pranush is correct. Darsh is also correct. Okay, beta C, nostril नहीं होगा. Respiration in aquatic animals is carried out by. Correct, Abhijit and Kanishka. Right answer is gills. In aquatic animals means animals such as fishes. Fishes में respiration किसके जो होता है? In fishes, respiration is carried out by with the help of gills. What will be the correct answer? Right answer for the question will be option B, gills. Gills is the correct answer. Question number 216. Which is an aquatic adaptation? इनमें से क्या एक aquatic adaptation है? Streamlined body, light and hollow bones, hairs on body, presence of gills. Which of these is an aquatic adaptation? इनमें से क्या एक aquatic adaptation है? Which of these is an aquatic adaptation? Correctly answered, Pranush. Very good. Correct, Darsh is right. Sarvesh is right. Presence of gills. Okay, streamlined body is also correct here. दो आंसर्स यहाँ पे करेक्ट होंगे. प्रेजेंस ऑफ गिल्स, गिल्स का प्रेजेंस जो है बॉडी में, दैट इज एन एक्वेटिक अडेप्टेशन. एंड इन एडिशन टू दिस द स्ट्रीमलाइन बॉडी. इफ यू विल हैव अ लुक एट फिशेस की जो बॉडी होती है, द बॉडी ऑफ फिशेस इज स्ट्रीमलाइन. ओके, इनका बॉडी कैसे होता है? सच काइंड ऑफ शेप जो आगे से पतला हो, जैसे आप एयरप्लेन को भी देखते हो आगे से वो पतला होता है. ठीक है, सो दिस काइंड ऑफ शेप, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज streamlined shape. What do we call this kind of shape? This shape is referred to as a streamlined shape. Okay, yes, so both are correct here. Question number 217. Bending of stem towards the light is called. Generally आपने देखा होगा that when you plant a seed or a very small plant, the stem starts to bend in the direction of sunlight. Stem क्या होता है? धीरे धीरे sunlight की direction में bend होने लगता है. So what do we call this phenomena? Beta, blue whale is not a blue whale is a mammal. It is not a fish. Okay, so it's an exception. So correct answer is, what do we call them? It is called as phototropism. Bending of stem towards sunlight. Photo का मतलब क्या होता है? Photo here stands for sunlight. So bending of stem towards sunlight is called as phototropism. Bending of stem towards the sunlight, इसको हम क्या कहेंगे? We'll be calling it phototropism. The next question, question number 218. What are the characteristics of a desert plant? Spines, deep root, no leaves, or all of these? Which of the following are the characteristics of desert plants? इनमें से क्या desert plants के character है? Spine, deep roots, no leaves, all of these. Very good. First is Pranush, second is Abhijit, third is Sarvesh. Yes, you are first, Pranush. That's correct. What is the right answer? All of these. जितने भी given correct answers हैं, options हैं, all of them are correct. Okay, so spines, deep root, no leaves. The right answer is option D. Question number 219. Which of the following plants are found in desert area? For the previous question, you have not given the answer, Ayush. What will be the answer? Which of the following plant is found in desert area? Mango, cactus, peepal, neem. Again, first is Pranush, second is Abhijit, then Sarvesh is correct, Darsh is correct, Ragini is also right here. Good. What is the correct answer? Correct answer is cactus. Okay, what is the correct answer? Cactus. Cactus is a plant found in desert area. Question number 220. Which of the following system of human body provides shape and strength to it? हमारी बॉडी को शेप और स्ट्रेंथ कौन प्रोवाइड करता है? मस्कुलर सिस्टम, स्केलेटल सिस्टम, नर्वस सिस्टम और सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम. अगेन Pranush is first and correct here. Very good, Pranush. Nervous system क्यों होगा बेटा? Nervous system is not right, Kavya. B is correct. Ayush, Abhijit, Ragini. Okay. Skeletal system is responsible for providing the shape and strength to the body, making option B the correct answer. Question number 221. Which of the following plant does not have a medicinal use? इनमें से कौन सा plant है जिसका कोई भी medicinal use नहीं होता है? Which of the following plant has no medicinal use at all? नीम प्लांट, एलोवेरा प्लांट, तुलसी प्लांट और पटेटो प्लांट. इनमें से किस प्लांट का कोई भी मेडिसिनल यूज नहीं है? नीम प्लांट, एलोवेरा प्लांट, तुलसी प्लांट और potato plant. Correct. Very good. Who is first here? Yes, Pranush is first. Second is Darsh. Then Ragini, Sarvesh, Raisha, Kanishka. All of you are correct here. Potato plant. Potato plant has no medicinal use. Neem plant has medicinal use. Aloe vera, tulsi. तीनों का ही medicinal use होता है. But potato plant is not having any medicinal use. Next question. Question number 222. Generally, the underground part of stem is called. Question saying generally the underground part of stem plant का जो underground part होता है in most of the cases. Okay, have a look. Question में क्या mentioned है? Generally, what it is? Stem, leaf, root, all of these. So correct answer for the question will be option C, root. Okay, generally जो plant का underground part होता है, the underground part of plant, generally it is referred to as root. What is the underground part of the plant? In most of the cases, okay, underground part अगर आपको कोई plant का मिल रहा है, there are very high chances that this part is a root. Okay, this part is a root. So correct answer for the question will be what? It will be option C. C will be the correct answer. The next question, question number 223. Which of these grow from the roots? Potato, carrot, ginger, sweet potato. Which of these can be grown from roots? इनमें से किसको आप roots के through grow कर सकते हो? Which of these can be grown from roots? Which of these can be grown from roots? Roots के through हम किसको grow कर सकते हैं? Good, all of you correctly answering here. What is the right answer for question? Correct answer will be option C. Okay, so यहाँ पे correct answer क्या होगा? The correct answer for the question is option C. Question number is 223. Good. Next question, question number 224. A person might faint if his heart does not send enough blood to. Good morning, Shlok. A person might faint if its heart does not send enough blood to his feet, kidney, liver, or brain. A person might faint if his heart does not send enough blood to. Correctly answered. First answer is given by Shlok. Second is Pranush, Darsh. Correctly answered, everyone. Correct, Abhijit. If a person's heart is not sending enough blood to its brain में अगर enough amount में blood नहीं आ रहा है, in that condition a person can faint. So what is the right answer for question? Option D, brain. Question number 225. Blank helps in removing the waste material from the body. Which system helps in removing the waste material from the body? Body में से waste material को remove करने में कौन help करता है? Which system is responsible for this function? So circulatory system, digestive system, excretory system, nervous system. First is Hemishri, then Shlok, Sarvesh, Pranush, Abhijit, Raisha. Abhijit, B will not be the answer. Removal of waste substances is the function of excretory system. Removal of waste substances from the body kiska function hai? It is the function of excretory system. So right answer is option C. Question number 226. A fluid that moves through the vessels of a circulatory system. A fluid that moves through the vessels of circulatory system is called blood, bile, saliva, none of these. What will be the correct answer? First is Shlok, second is Pranush. Good, all of you. Third is Sarvesh. Circulatory system के vessels में क्या flow करता है? In the vessels of circulatory system, blood. Blood flows in the vessel of circulatory system, making answer A as the correct answer. Okay, so right answer will be option A. The next question, question number 225. Sorry, 227. Question number Which of the following are called as food factories of plant? Food factories of plant किसको कहा जाता है? Leaves, stem, root or flowers? Quickly everyone. Which organ is called as the food factories of plant? Right. First is Shlok, second is Kanishka. Good. And then we have third Ragini. Very good. Leaves. Leaves are referred to as the food factories of plant. Leaves perform the task of photosynthesis. Because of this reason, leaves are called as food factories of plant. Question number 228. Which of the following is not required for photosynthesis? Photosynthesis के लिए इनमें से क्या required नहीं होगा? Iodine solution, carbon dioxide, chlorophyll or water? Which of these is not required for the process of photosynthesis? First is Pranush, second is Shlok, third is Sarvesh. For photosynthesis, mainly we need 4 requirements. First requirement is water, second requirement is carbon dioxide, third requirement is chlorophyll. Third requirement हमारा क्या है? The third requirement is chlorophyll. And the fourth requirement, what is the fourth one? Fourth requirement is sunlight. इनमें से क्या हमको नहीं required है? We do not need the presence of iodine solution. What do we not need? We do not need iodine solution. So correct answer will be option A. Question number 229. Plants get carbon dioxide from soil, sand, leaves, water. From where do plants get carbon dioxide? Soil, sand, leaves, air. For the process of photosynthesis, कहाँ से plants को carbon dioxide मिलता है? First is Sarvesh, second Ragini, third Pranush, Shlok, Abhijit. Good morning, Sarch. Hemashri, Darsh, that is correct. What is the right answer? Plants get carbon dioxide from air. Air के through plants को carbon dioxide मिलता है. Using that, correctly answered Mehul. Plants perform photosynthesis. Question number 230. What is the main purpose of plants? Flowers. Plants में जो flower होते हैं उसका main purpose क्या होता है? It provides support, provide water, produce seeds or produce food. What is the main purpose of flower? Very good. First we have Shlok. Then Ragini, Sarvesh, Raisha, correct. Pranush, D is not the answer. Production of food is the task of leaves, beta. You must keep in mind. Okay, leaves are responsible for production of food. Okay, seeds. Seeds का production क्या करता है? For the production of seeds, flowers are responsible. Inside of the flower, okay, हमेशा seed का production होता है. So we have learned inside of flower there is a structure called ovary. Ovary किसमें develop होता है? Ovary develops into fruit, and inside of ovary we have ovule. Ovule develops into seed. So what will be the correct answer? Right answer is option C. It's okay, beta. No need to say sorry. I was explaining it to you. Okay. Question number 231. Plants uptake carbon dioxide from atmosphere for respiration, digestion, photosynthesis. None of these. Plants atmosphere से carbon dioxide का uptake करते हैं. What do they do from this? They perform respiration, digestion, photosynthesis or all of these. Sarvesh respiration के लिए and search for the purpose of respiration. Why will plants take in carbon dioxide? Respiration के लिए तो plant या कोई भी organism oxygen का intake करता है, carbon dioxide को release करता है. Carbon dioxide plants को क्यों required है? Plants need carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. Why do plants need carbon dioxide? They need it for photosynthesis. They do not need it for respiration. Respiration के लिए तो oxygen चाहिए. Okay, so what will be the correct answer? Option C here is the correct answer. Question number 232. The next question is question number 232. Brain is responsible for thinking, regulating the heartbeat, balancing the body, or all of the above. That's correct. Dharya, your answer is right. What will be the correct answer for question? The correct answer we have for the question is option D. For all of these functions, brain is responsible. Brain is responsible for thinking, for regulating the heartbeat, and for balancing the body. Question number 233. How many pair of ribs are present in a human? How many pair of ribs are present in a human? 12, 10, 14, 11. No, Pranush. I will explain this. ये question हम करते हैं, then I'll explain your doubt. How many pair of ribs are present in humans? अभी हमने कुछ दिन पहले ये question किया था. So humans have 12 pair of ribs. Okay, how many ribs are present in human? 12 pair of ribs. Have a look, Pranush, over here. Any living organism, कोई भी living organism जब क्या perform करेगा? When any living organism will perform respiration. So in respiration, The organism will breathe in or intake oxygen and it will give out carbon dioxide. Okay, this is clear. It will always exhale or give out carbon dioxide. Question ने आपको क्या पूछा था? For which purpose plants uptake? Uptake means for which purpose plants intake carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide को वो क्यों लेते हैं? So they are not taking it for respiration. For respiration we need oxygen. Carbon dioxide we give out. They need carbon dioxide to perform photosynthesis. Okay, so what will be the correct answer? Photosynthesis will be the correct answer. Question number 234. Human skeleton is consist of how many bones? Human skeleton is consist of how many bones? 126, 206, 200 or 220? Good. First is Dhairya, second is Darsh, Sarvesh, Lok, Pranush, Sarj, Ragini, Abhijit. All of you are correct. 206. How many bones human skeleton is consist of? 206. 235 question. Which part of the human respiratory system is also called as sound box? Human respiratory system के किस part को हम sound box भी कहते हैं? Larynx, trachea, nasopharynx, glottis. No, Shlok, B is not the right answer. What will be the correct answer here? Sound box. Sound box means the portion that is responsible for production of sound. So we must keep in mind that it is larynx. Larynx को हम क्या कहते हैं? Larynx is called as sound box. Okay. And trachea. Trachea is windpipe. Trachea is called as windpipe. Larynx is called as sound box. So this you have to keep in mind. The correct answer for question is option A. The next question, question number 236. In which part of a body blood is produced? Blood का production कहाँ पर होता है? Heart, bone marrow, lungs or brain? In which part of the body blood is produced? Correctly answered all of you. A नहीं होगा सर्वेश. Correct answer is bone marrow. Bone marrow is responsible for the production of blood. Heart में blood का production नहीं होता है. Production of blood cells occurs in bone marrow. Question number 227. Which part of plant conducts water in plant? Which part of plant is responsible for conduction of water? Plant का कौन सा part होता है that is responsible for conduction of water? Leaves, fruit, stem, flowers. Leaves, fruit, stem, flowers. Good. All of you are right here. What is the correct answer for question? Correct answer for question is option C, stem. Stem is responsible for the conduction of water. Stem किसके लिए responsible है? It is responsible for conduction of water. Question number 238. What is the largest gland of the human body? Gallbladder, liver, brain, pancreas. Which is the largest gland of the human body? First is Hemashri, second is Pratyaksh, then Sarvesh, Dhairya, Kanishka. All of you are correct. Largest gland of the human body is liver. If the question comes for the largest organ of human body, what is going to be the largest organ of human body? Human body का largest organ क्या होता है? Largest gland is liver, but what is the largest organ of human body? What is the largest organ? Very good, Pratyaksh. Good. Largest organ of human body is skin. Human body का largest organ क्या होता है? The largest organ is skin. Correctly answered, everyone. And what is the second largest gland? What is the second largest gland of human body? Human body का second largest gland क्या होगा? बेटा not skin, not small intestine. श्लोक skin आंसर होगा, ठीक है? And what is the second largest gland? Hemashri is correct over here. Pancreas. Good, Pratyaksh. Pancreas is the second largest gland. First largest gland is liver. Pancreas is second largest and largest organ is skin. तो ये भी हमको यहाँ पे ध्यान रखना है, ठीक है? Largest bone अगर पूछता है, so largest bone is the thigh bone, that is femur. Okay, good, all of you. The next question, question number 239. Where is bile stored? Bile is stored in mouth, gallbladder, liver or stomach. Bile is stored in mouth, gallbladder, liver or stomach. How come A? बेटा mouth में bile थोड़ी store होगा. Bile is stored in gallbladder. Where is bile stored? Bile is stored in gallbladder. So what will be the correct answer? Option B here is the correct answer. Question number 240. Which part does not contain any sweat glands in human body? Which part does not contain any sweat glands? कोई भी sweat gland present नहीं होता है on palm, toes, armpits or lips. First is Darsh, second is Dhairya, third is Shlok. Hemashri is correct. Then Pratyaksh, C is not the answer. Okay, Pranush, not armpits, lips. Lips do not show the presence of any sweat gland. Lips पे sweat glands present नहीं होते हैं. So correct answer is option D. Question number 241. Which of the following animals we can get wool from? Which of the following animals? We can get wool from which of the following animals? Goat, sheep, yak, all of these. We can get wool from which of the following animals? Goat, sheep, yak, or all of these. Correct, everyone. What is the right answer for question? The correct answer we have is option D. All of these. Wool हमको किससे मिलेगा? From all of these we can get wool. Question number 242. Animals and plants have certain feature which makes them survive in a particular habitat. अभी हमने ये question किया ना? Yes. So इसको हम फिर से solve नहीं कर रहे हैं. I'll tell you the answer. Adaptation. अभी हमने question discuss किया था. Next question. Question number 243. Plants and animals that live on land belong to. Plants and animals जो land पे रहते हैं. Such plants and animals that live on land, they belong to which habitat? They belong to terrestrial habitat, aquatic habitat, mountain, marine habitat, none of the above. They belong to which habitat? Good. Correctly answered, everyone. Plants or animals that live on land. Okay. Good morning, Araf. They belong to the terrestrial habitat. Okay. इस habitat को belong करते हैं. They belong to terrestrial habitat. Next question. Question number 244. Which of the following is not an abiotic component of environment? Which of the following is not an abiotic component of environment? इनमें से क्या environment का एक abiotic component नहीं है? So good, all of you. The right answer is bacteria, because soil, water, air, they are non-living, they are abiotic, and bacteria is living. Question number 245. Which of the following solution is given to a person who has vomiting and loose motion? Last year का ही question है बेटा ये. Okay, previous year question है. Last year ही ये पूछा गया था. Which of the following solution is given to a person who is having loose motions or vomiting? So good, all of you are answering correctly here. Right answer for question is ORS. What is the meaning of ORS? ORS stands for oral rehydrating solution. What does ORS stands for? Oral rehydrating solution. तो अगर किसी person को dehydration हो गया, so we give ORS to the person. Okay. You are not giving answer to any question, Ayush, and then you keep on saying, ma'am, please take my name. If you are not giving the answer, how can I take your name? So you must give the answers. Okay. What is the next question? The next question is, which of the following is called as the digestive bag of muscular bag of digestive system? Question number, very good. First answer is given by Darsh. Second is Hemashri. Third is Shreya. Then Pranush, Shri. All of you are correct here. बेटा प्रत्यक्ष ए नहीं होगा. मस्कुलर बैग ऑफ डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम. मस्कुलर बैग ऑफ डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम किसको कहेंगे? स्टमक. Stomach is called as the muscular bag of digestive system. Okay, stomach is called as muscular bag of digestive system. Question number 247. The tiny bumps present on the tongue are called as, what do we call the small tiny bumps that are present on the surface of tongue? Taste buds, smell buds, flower buds, or none of these? First is Darsh, second is Pranush, then Dhairya, Hemashri, Darsh, Shlok, Sarvesh, Ragini. All of you are correct. What do we call them? They are referred to as taste buds. Okay, we call them taste buds. Question number 248. Which vitamin nutrients protect us against diseases? Disease से protection के लिए कौन से nutrients responsible होते हैं? Vitamin, mineral, fats and carbohydrates, proteins, all of these. Protein is required, beta Pranush, for growth and development of the body. Okay, answer क्या होगा? Vitamins and minerals. If we have vitamin and mineral deficiency in our body, it will lead to deficiency diseases. The next question, question number 249. Which nutrient give us energy to do the work? Which nutrient give us energy to do the work? Fats and carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals, protein, all of these. क्या correct answer होगा? Very good, everyone. Energy giving foods are fats and minerals. Which of these are the energy giving food? Fats and mineral. Okay. Fats and minerals are the energy giving food. Okay. The next question, question number 7. Correctly answered Likita. Which nutrient help us to grow? This is question number 250. कौन सा nutrient growth में help करता है? Protein, this is fats, and carbohydrates, vitamin, mineral, all of these. Which nutrients help in growth? Ragini beta, C is not the answer. Pranush, D is not the answer. Growth के लिए हमेशा keep in mind, for the growth and development of body we must consume more and more of protein. Okay, what will be the answer here, Likita? A will be the correct answer. Food are of three types: energy giving food, fats and carbohydrates; bodybuilding food, proteins; and protective food, vitamins and minerals. So correct answer is option A. The next question, question number 251. What is the nature of digestive juices in stomach? What is the nature of digestive juices present in stomach? Acidic, basic, neutral, all of these. Good morning always. What is the nature of digestive juices present in stomach? Stomach में जो digestive juices होते हैं उनका nature कैसे होता है? सर्वेश is correct, दर्श is correct, लिखिता good, Surge is also right here. Acidic. Okay, what is the nature of digestive juices in stomach? Digestive juices in stomach are acidic. और stomach में इसलिए जो food present होता है because of its acidic nature, it is called as chyme. Okay, so this also you must keep in mind. Question number 252. What is the taste of tamarind? Tamarind का taste कैसे होता है? Sweet, sour, salty or spicy? What is the taste of tamarind? Sweet, sour, salty or spicy? First is Darsh. That is wrong, Ayush. Second is Hemashri. Tamarind मतलब इमली का टेस्ट स्वीट कैसे होगा? हाउ इट विल बी स्वीट? बी इज करेक्ट, राइट? आयुष, कनिष्का, लिखिता, सर्वेश, अभिजीत, श्लोक, काव्या, दैट्स करेक्ट. सार मतलब खट्टा. व्हाट इज द टेस्ट ऑफ tamarind? It is sour. Question number 253. By which part of digestive system do we taste the food? By which part of our body or by which part of our digestive system we feel the taste of the food? Teeth, tongue, nose or stomach? क्या करेक्ट आंसर होगा यहाँ पे? Good everyone. Tongue is responsible for the taste. So which organ is responsible for purpose of taste? Tongue is responsible here. Question number 254. By which part of tongue, okay, which taste do we feel from front part of the tongue? फ्रंट पार्ट ऑफ टंग जो होता है वो किस टेस्ट के रिकॉग्निशन के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल होता है? वेरी गुड. फर्स्ट आंसर इज गिवन बाय लिखिता, सेकंड इज सर्वेश, देन दर्श इज आल्सो करेक्ट. The front part of the tongue, it is responsible for recognition of sweet taste. Okay, it is responsible for recognition of sweet taste. Question number 255. Saliva is found in our mouth, stomach, intestine or liver. Where do we find the presence of saliva? Saliva हमको कहाँ पे मिलता है? We find it in our stomach, mouth, liver or intestine. Why D will be the answer, Pratyaksh? B answer भी क्यों होगा? Where do we find saliva? Saliva is found in our mouth. Where do we find saliva? Saliva is produced by salivary gland. Salivary gland is present in our mouth. So what will be the correct answer? Correct answer for the question will be option C, mouth. Okay. The next question, question number 256. Which of the following is not a part of our digestive system? इनमें से क्या हमारे digestive system का part नहीं है? Mouth, heart, food pipe, intestine. Mouth, heart, food pipe, intestine. Correct. Good. Hemishri, Sarvesh, Shlok, Likita, Darsh, Surj, Ragini, all of you are correct here. Heart. Heart is not a part of our digestive system. Okay. Heart is not the part of our digestive system. It is the part of circulatory system. Question number 257. Taste buds are present on tongue, cheeks, teeth or saliva. Where are taste buds present? Taste buds कहाँ पे present होते हैं? Correct, Hemishri. Everyone is answering correctly. Where are taste buds present? Taste buds are present on tongue. Question number 258. The nutrients are absorbed into the bloodstream in which part of digestive system? The nutrients are absorbed in bloodstream in which part of the digestive system? Stomach, small intestine, large intestine, liver. Stomach, small intestine, large intestine or liver. So श्री बेटा सी आंसर नहीं होगा. करेक्ट आंसर फॉर द क्वेश्चन विल बी ऑप्शन डी. जब भी क्वेश्चन हमको पूछता है अबाउट द एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट्स, न्यूट्रिएंट्स का एब्जॉर्प्शन हमेशा कौन करता है? small intestine, and large intestine is responsible for absorption of water and minerals. Water and minerals का absorption करता है large intestine. Small intestine is responsible for absorption of nutrients. Okay. Question number 259. Which of the following food is richest source of pulses? Which of the following food is richest source of pulses? Sorry, richest source of protein? Pulses, vegetables, cereals, milk. Pulses, vegetables, cereals, milk. First is Dash, second is Sarvesh, Hemishri, Likita, Shlok. All of you are correct here. Correct, Sarj, Ragini. Okay. Pulses. Pulses are a very rich source of protein. Richest source of protein are pulses. Question number 260. Which of the following disease are related with protein energy malnutrition? What is the meaning of malnutrition? Malnutrition means deficiency on protein and energy in our body causes which diseases? Kwashiorkor, marasmus, both or none of these. So first here is Hemishri, second is Dash, then Shlok, then Sarvesh, Likita, Ragini, Kavya, good. Okay, what is the right answer? Kwashiorkor and marasmus. Both these diseases are caused by the protein energy malnutrition. Next question, question number 18. Saliva helps in the digestion of. Saliva किसके digestion में help करता है? Starch, protein, fats, carbohydrate. Question number 261. Saliva helps in digestion of starch, protein, fats or fiber. Correct. Hemishri is right here. Sarvesh, Likita, Shlok, Ragini, Manjeet, all of you are correct. Sarj is also right. Good, Raisha. Starch. Saliva helps in the digestion of starch. Starch के digestion में saliva help करता है. Now, in the exam, this can happen that in place of starch, carbohydrate is given to you. तो भी आप ध्यान रखोगे because starch is also what? Starch is a kind of carbohydrate. तो question में आपको कार्बोहाइड्रेट भी आ सकता है. कार्बोहाइड्रेट एज वेल विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर. ओके, इसके साथ में ही वी अप्लाई अ टेस्ट फॉर द प्रेजेंस ऑफ स्टार्च. दैट टेस्ट इज कॉल्ड एज आयोडीन टेस्ट. इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ आयोडीन starch turns into blue black color, so this also you must keep in mind. Okay, the next question, question number 262. Which of the following food item is really rich in carbohydrates? Which food item is rich in carbohydrate? Green pulses, rice, egg, green vegetable. Which food item is rich in carbohydrate? Good, all of you. Which of these is rich in carbohydrate? So we must keep in mind rice. Rice is one of the richest source of carbohydrate. Then pulses, egg, they are a good source of protein. Okay, from vegetables, green leafy vegetables, we get several vitamins and minerals. ओके, सो ये आपको ध्यान में रखना है. राइस इज अ रिच सोर्स ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 263. अ डाइट दैट कंटेन्स all the proper balanced nutrients is called. A diet that contains all the proper balanced nutrients is called. A diet that contains all proper balanced nutrients is called a balanced diet. Correct. This is true. Everyone is answering correctly here. ये sentence क्या है? This sentence is true. Question number 264. Which part of digestive system is responsible for chewing of food? Which part of digestive system is responsible for chewing of food? Food pipe, stomach, teeth or tongue? First for this question is Shlok. Second is Hemishri. Third is Likita. Fourth is Ragini. Then Shlok is also correct. Which part of digestive system is responsible for chewing of food? Sorry, option यहाँ पे correct answer क्या होगा? The right answer we will be having for the question is option, okay, C. Teeth here is the correct answer. What will be the right answer for question? The correct answer we will be having for the question is option C. Teeth. Teeth is responsible for chewing of food. Question number 265. Which part of digestive system is a bag-like structure? Which part of digestive system is a bag-like structure? Digestive system का कौन सा part जो है? It is a bag-like structure. Good morning, Shri. Food pipe, stomach, teeth or tongue? First is Shlok, second is Likita, third is Darsh. Which part of digestive system is a bag-like structure? So, the correct answer for question is option B, stomach. Which part of digestive system is bag-like structure? Stomach is the right answer. Question visible nahi hai. Okay. It is not visible. Just a minute. Okay, now it must be visible. Okay, the next question we have after this, everyone, question number 266. What does nutrition includes? Nutrition includes study of organisms food. It includes the study of the process of digestion, study of the way an organism obtains food, or all of the above. What is the meaning of digestion? Nutrition. What is the meaning of nutrition? So Darsh is correct here, Likita is correct, Pranush is correct. बेटा न्यूट्रिशन इज अ वेरी ब्रॉड टर्म. न्यूट्रिशन में हम पढ़ते हैं कि कोई ऑर्गेनिज्म फूड कैसे लेता है, what is the process of digestion it is obtaining, and how does it obtains the food. So all of them we are going to study in nutrition में हम क्या डिस्कस करेंगे, all these things we will be studying in nutrition. Question number 24. Which is the largest bone of the human body? Which is the largest bone of human body? Stapes, collarbone, femur, or none of these? Which is the largest bone in human body? Question number 267. Largest bone of the human body. First is Dash, second is hemisphere. Good, all of you. Largest bone of the human body, we must keep in mind femur or the thigh bone. अभी मैंने आपको बताया भी था, it is the largest bone of the human body. Stapes या फिर इसी को कहते हैं the bone of ear ossicle, ear bone. It is the smallest bone. So largest bone is femur, and which is the smallest bone? The smallest bone we have is ear bone, okay, or stape. So what will be the correct answer for this question? Option C, femur. Question number 268. Which organ is not a part of digestive system? इनमें से कौन सा organ जो है it is not a part of digestive system? Liver, kidney, stomach, intestine. Which organ is not a part of digestive system? Liver, kidney, stomach, or intestine? Yes, what will be the correct answer, everyone? If you will have a look at the options carefully, you will realize which of these is not a part of digestive system. इनमें से क्या digestive system का part नहीं है? Correctly answer, everyone. Option B, kidney. Kidney is not a part of digestive system. Kidney is a part of excretory system. Kidney किसका part है? Kidney is a part of excretory system. So what will be the correct answer? Option B here is the right answer. Question number 26. Maximum absorption of food takes place in ileum, colon, rectum. Maximum absorption of food takes place in ileum, colon, or rectum. Read and understand the question carefully. Hevashri is correct here. C क्यों होगा बेटा? सर्ज, दर्श, Kavya is correct. Likita is correct. Maximum absorption of food. Food का maximum absorption कहाँ होता है? I have told you. Maximum absorption of food takes place in small intestine. Food का maximum absorption कहाँ पे होता है? Maximum absorption of food takes place in which part? It takes place in small intestine. Small intestine में हम पढ़ते हैं there are three parts. First one is ileum. Second one is ileum. Second one we have is duodenum. Okay, and similarly the third one we have is jejunum. Okay, so ileum is a part of small intestine. So maximum absorption of food will take place where? It will occur in ileum. What will be the correct answer? Rectum will not be answer, Pranush. A, ileum will be the correct answer. Question number 270. What is the major site of protein digestion? Gullet, stomach, small intestine, or oral cavity? What is the major site of protein digestion? Protein digestion का major site क्या है? Gullet, stomach, small intestine, or oral cavity? Good. Correct. Manjeet is right. Shri is correct. Shlok, Hemashri. Correct, Ragini. Major site of protein digestion. Maximum protein digestion हमको observe होता है in the stomach. So right answer is option B. Question number 271. Cake is cooked by which of the following method? Which method do we imply for the cooking of cake? Boiling, baking, frying, or steaming? Correct, Manjeet. That is right. Darsh is also correct. Ragini is also correct. Abhijit is also correct. Sir, Hemashri, everyone is correct. Correct, Likita. Which method is used for the cooking? Baking हम use करते हैं for the cooking purpose of cake. Question number 272. Which of the following is method used for cooking? इनमें से क्या एक method है of cooking? Frying, boiling, baking, all of these. Which of these is a method of cooking? Frying, boiling, baking, all of these. First is Shlok. बेटा 300 क्वेश्चंस हम करेंगे धैर्या, डोंट वरी, वी हैव टू डू लाइक 28 क्वेश्चंस मोर, ओके. So what will be the right answer for question? Good, all of you. Option D, all of these, which is a method used for cooking, frying, boiling, baking. All of these are the methods of cooking. Question number 273. Which of the following food items can be consumed without cooking? इनमें से कौन सा जो food item है that is consumed without cooking? मैदा, दाल, rice, carrot. मैदा, दाल, rice or carrot. Which food item can be consumed without cooking? Darsh is correct. Pranush, Abhijit, Dhairya, Ragini, Likita, all of you are correct. Correct, Kanishka. Carrot. Carrot we can consume as a salad in a raw form. It can be consumed without cooking. Question number 274. Which of the following is used as a preservative? हम इनमें से किसको preservative के form में use करते हैं? Sodium benzoate, vinegar, methane, both A and B. Which of the following is used in the form of preservative? इनमें से हम किसको preservative के form में use करते हैं? Sodium benzoate, vinegar, methane, both A and B. Correct. What is the right answer? Both. Sodium benzoate as well as vinegar. Generally आपने देखा होगा all the market based pickle, market से जितने भी अचार खरीदते हो, they have a very similar kind of taste, and if you consume them on regular basis, आप देखोगे कि आपको सर्दी होने लगती है, throat में you feel itching. It is because of the presence of sodium benzoate. So sodium benzoate and vinegar, both of them are preservative. Chemical name of vinegar is acetic acid. What is the chemical name of vinegar? Chemical name of vinegar is acetic acid. So what will be the right answer for question? Option D here is the correct answer. Question number 275. Achar or pickles are prepared by which method? Adding sugar, salting, boiling, all of these. Achar or pickles are prepared by. Good. First is Manjeet. Himashri is correct. Darsh is also right here. Search D क्यों होगा? हम पिकल में शुगर थोड़ी ऐड करते हैं, हम बॉइलिंग भी नहीं करते हैं. The only method, the only preservation we do in pickles is salting. Okay, in pickles salt is used as preservative. अचार में आप क्या preservative use करते हो? You use salt as preservative, making option B the correct answer. Question number 276. Dehydration of food prevents spoilage of food, growth of microbes, doesn't help at all. Both A and B. Dehydration of food prevents. If we are dehydrating the food, dehydration of food means loss of water or removal of water from food is called as dehydration of water. Spoilage of food, growth of microbes, doesn't help at all. Both A and B. Good morning, Sachin. What is going to be the correct answer? D is right. Both A and B. It prevents the spoilage of food and it stops the growth of microorganisms. Question number 277. All of the following are techniques of household preservation except. All of the following are techniques of household preservation except smoking, lyophilization, dehydration, salting. All of these are techniques of food preservation, okay, that we can do at home except. Correct. First is Hemishri, second is Likita, then Shlok is also correct here, Darsh is also right. Lyophilization is a method जो हम घर पे perform नहीं कर सकते. Smoking we can do at home, dehydration can be done at home, salting can be done at home. Lyophilization is cannot be performed at home. Okay, सर्वेश D क्यों होगा बेटा? Salting तो हम देखो अचार में salting ऐड करते हैं ना, salting हम salt use करते हैं, so salting can be done at home. Lyophilization cannot be done at home. Question number 278. In jams and jellies, blank act as preservatives. In jams and jellies, blank act as preservatives. Salt, vinegar, sugar, all of these. In jams and jellies, what is present as preservative? Correct. Shlok is right. Hemishri is also correct. Likita is also correct. In jams and jellies, sugar is used as preservative. Okay, sugar हम उसमें taste के लिए add नहीं करते हैं. Instead, sugar is used in the form of preservative. Question number 279. Smoking is used in the preservation of fish, meat, milk, both A and B. Smoking is used in the preservation of fish, meat, milk, both A and B. What is the right answer for question? Good, all of you. Option D is the correct answer. Smoking हम use करते हैं for the preservation of both, for the preservation of fish as well as for the preservation of meat, making option B the Correct answer. Question number 280. Cold sterilization refers to the process of preservation of food by refrigeration, radiation, dehydration or lyophilization. कोल्ड स्टेरिलाइजेशन का मतलब क्या हुआ? कोल्ड स्टेरिलाइजेशन में हम फूड को किसके थ्रू प्रिजर्व करते हैं? इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ कोल्ड स्टेरिलाइजेशन. नो, नॉट रेफ्रिजरेशन. कोल्ड स्टेरिलाइजेशन, it has got nothing to do with refrigeration. Cold sterilization में we preserve the food with the help of radiation. कौन से radiations हम use करते हैं? We use X-rays, gamma rays and UV rays for the preservation of food. X-ray, we use gamma ray, and we also use UV ray for the preservation of food. Okay, so preservation of food by radiation, इसी को हम और क्या कहते हैं? Cold sterilization. So right answer for question is option B. Cold sterilization has got nothing to do with refrigeration. Okay, इसका refrigeration से कोई भी association नहीं है. Right answer will be option B. The next question, why we are preserving the food? Question number 281. हमको food क्यों preserve करना पड़ता है? Because it prevents microbial contamination, because it kills pathogen, because it minimizes spoilage of food and poisoning, because of all of these reasons. Good morning beta, good morning Sachin. Why are we preserving the food? Correct all of you. हम food को क्यों preserve करते हैं? Because of all of these reasons. To prevent microbial contaminations, to kill pathogen and to minimize the food spoilage, हम food को preserve करते हैं. Question number 282. What is the principle behind food preservation? Food preservation के पीछे principle क्या है? By reducing the temperature of food, we can preserve it. By storing the food in an airtight container, we can preserve it. By evaporating the water content of the food, we can preserve it. Or by all of these things, we can preserve the food. Yes, what is the correct answer for question? The right answer for the question is boiling a milk 3 times a day. It preserves the milk, it stops the growth of microbes. Okay. Next question. The process of preparing food for eating or consumption purpose is called. The process of preparing food for eating or consumption purpose is called cooking, spoiling, prevention, none of these. It is called cooking, spoiling, preservation or none of these. Correct answer क्या होगा? The process of preparing food for the purpose of eating. C क्यों होगा? Process of preparing the food for eating purposes. Preparing the food. What it is cooking. What is cooking? Cooking is the process of preparing the food for the consumption purposes, for the purpose of eating. उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? We call it cooking. Okay, it is not preservation. The right answer is cooking. Good morning, Prem. Next question, blank is a major source of energy. Food, water, vitamins, none of these. Which of the following is a major source of energy? Question number 285. Which of these is a major source of energy? Correctly answered here. Likita is correct. Food. Food is a major source of energy. इतना क्यों सी क्यों आंसर होगा बेटा यहाँ पे obvious. Vitamins are not a source of energy. Food is a source of energy. Okay. Next question. Question number 286. Blank preserves the food by slowing down the growth and reproduction of microorganism and action of enzyme that causes the food to rot. Cooling, freezing, curing, boiling. Which method helps to preserve the food by slowing the growth and reproduction of microorganisms and action of enzymes? Cooling, freezing, curing, boiling. Freezing, okay. Okay, so everyone, you must keep this in mind. अगर enzymes के लिए question आता है, So आप ध्यान रखोगे curing. Okay, slowing down of enzymes. So here curing will be the right answer. Question number 287. The earliest form of curing was dehydration, drying, pickling, both A and B. What was the earliest form of curing? Dehydration, drying, pickling, both A and B. Correct. Darsh is right. Prem is right. How come Bhavya is so late for class today, Bhavya? What happened? So correct answer for question is earliest form of curing is dehydration and drying. Question number 288. Which product are often boiled to kill harmful microbe and microorganism present in them? Sugar, salt, milk, apple. Okay, it was your result day today. Okay, how was your result, Bhavya? Good. All of you are answering correctly. Darsh, options को question is asking you to boil the food item and you are marking option D. How can you boil an apple? Milk answer होगा ना? The only we preserve by boiling is milk. Okay? Okay. So everyone, this session यहीं पे हम complete करेंगे and because the okay, because the battery of microphone. Am I audible? Can you hear me? Am I audible? It is audible, okay. So I have connected with another microphone. Okay. So चलिए let us continue then. If the voice is clear, so we'll continue. Complete कर लेते हैं हम इस session को. So इसके लिए correct answer was 288. Question number 289. Which of the following is preserved by sugar? Mangoes, amla, pickles, squash. Which of the following is preserved by sugar? Mangoes, amla, pickle, squash. Yes, what will be the correct answer, everyone? Option D, Sarvesh is right, Manjeet is right. Okay. Pranush, keep in mind. Mangoes we can preserve by sugar, but squash is like एक preparation ही होता है. उसमें fruits को sugar के syrup में हम add करते हैं. Okay. So what is the correct answer? Squash में sugar is used. Okay. What is used in squash? In squash, sugar is used as a preservative, making option D as the correct answer. Question number 290. Dry fruits and vegetables are sold in airtight packets to preserve the aroma, to prevent the attack of microbes, to preserve the moisture, to preserve the taste. Dry fruits and vegetables are sold in sealed airtight packets. Dry fruits and vegetables are sold in sealed airtight packets too. Clear? Okay, C is the correct answer. क्यों C होगा बेटा? Why? To preserve the moisture. They are sold in airtight packets to prevent the attack of microbes. Microbes के attack को prevent करने के लिए हम उनको airtight packets में sell करते हैं. Okay, so what will be the correct answer? The right answer will be option B. Question number 21. Which of the following chemicals is used to preserve the food? Sodium benzoate, methane, vinegar, both A and C. My voice is breaking. Okay, just a moment. ओके व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू बेटा नाउ ये वाली जो क्लास है 290 तक हमने क्वेश्चन कर लिए ठीक है 291 ऑनवर्ड्स क्वेश्चंस वी विल बी डूइंग इन द इवनिंग क्लास इवनिंग में हम करेंगे फ्रॉम 8:30 पीएम ओके सो 290 से हम 300 सॉरी 400 तक ट्राई करेंगे कि हम 110 क्वेश्चंस इवनिंग क्लास में कर लें. Okay, so what we are going to do now, today's this class, the first class of morning, we are going to sum up. In the evening, once again, we'll be joining the class, okay? And
We'll be meeting once again in the evening at 8:30 p.m. Okay, so next class we'll be having in evening and 8:30 p.m. This class we are going to sum up. Okay, bye Shlok, bye Bhavya, bye all of you. Have a nice day ahead.